In these tough times, when hope is hard to come by, let's bring some light with positive vibes by coming together and spreading a ray of hope. Let's stand together and strive for a beautiful and brighter times ahead.
In times like this, we need to remember that even if we cannot gather together, we're not alone. Look out for your community by still staying home if you can and protect those who cannot. If you do have to go outside, wear a mask. It's a sign of respect and shows that you want to protect others around you.
Now let us look at the positive side of the COVID-19 pandemic. Nature is in healing mode. From cleaner air to liberated wildlife, coronavirus lockdowns help the earth to rejuvenate itself. Mother Nature is beautifying the earth once more for us. Let us not ravage it, but preserve it when everything goes back to normal.
In these times of a global pandemic, each of us as individuals have thoughts of uncertainties and anxieties that is not only affecting our daily life but our mental health as well. Let us be thankful to all doctors, health workers, government officials who are working for us 24/7 to keep us safe and sound. Let us not forget every dark cloud has a silver lining. Let us be a ray of hope for each other and succeed together. Spreading you all a ray of hope, peace, patience, positivity, and strength that will help us sail through this crucial time together. Stay strong, stay happy, stay home, stay safe.
The entire world is going through a very tough time due to COVID-19, but let's not lose hope. Let's believe in the power of positivity and ray of hope. These too shall pass, we shall overcome. Almighty is there.
It might be stormy now, but rain does not last forever. It is just a bad day, not a bad life. It will get better. We shall overcome this situation. Keep smiling, think positive. Stay home, stay safe.
Hey guys, you already know about this pandemic situation. It's like a third world war. When problems come, solution also come with problem. So stay positive, stay healthy, and be safe. Here I am sending positive rays for you.
Hello friends, we know that the world is going through the hard time, but believe me, this time will pass soon. All we need is to stay healthy, think positive, do yoga, meditation, and stay safe at home. I am passing this rays of hope.
While battling through this tough situation, this pandemic has showed us that we are one beyond the boundaries of country and religion. So let us continue to stand by each other with a hope in our heart that this too shall pass.
COVID-19 is the first pandemic that can be controlled. We know we all are going through a very difficult time. Let's make it safe for us and everyone else by self-isolation. Stay home, stay safe.
In this difficult time created by this pandemic, here is my message for you. You are braver than you believe, you are stronger than you seem, and you are smarter than you think. So follow the guidelines, stay at home, enjoy time with your family, and stay safe. Thank you.
Let each candle we light bring a ray of hope and courage to fight through this difficult time and bring happiness on our face. Here I share my ray of hope.
Thank you, Damini, for sending me this light. It gives me hope that everything will be fine and we shall definitely overcome from this pandemic situation. They say even in darkness there is light. Light is within us and it will never be extinguished. During these tough times, we can choose a meaning of life. We are grateful for our breath in and out. We are grateful for our life itself. Now I am passing this light to the universe with this hope that everyone